Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to update your Unc0ver Jailbreak to version 3.7.0 beta 3, which just dropped today, and it will greatly improve performance for A12 powered devices, which includes the iPhone XS Max, which is what I'm rocking right here, XS, XR, 2018 iPad Pro models. Of course, this will also function on all other supported devices running up to iOS 12.4. So any device on iOS 12.4 will work with this. Of course, 12.3 and 12.3.1 are not included because they do not work with the primary exploit, but everything below that as well should function. So target firmware is 12.4, but earlier firmwares will work as well, so long as it's not 12.3. Now you might be wondering, well, why would I want to do this? If you jailbreak your device when the first beta of Unc0ver was released for 12.4 for A12, you may have noticed some problems. This update fixes a number of things, including but not limited to GPS issues, App Store Face ID performance issues, stability issues, random shutdowns or reboots, and of course, camera issues, and so much more. If you really have any problems, definitely give this a shot. So with that said, you might be wondering, well, what do I have to do? First and foremost, I recommend rebooting first. So the first step is to reboot. To reboot, it's very simple. All you have to do is press the volume up, volume down, hold the side button, and then slide the power off. Once it's fully off, the screen goes fully black and it is powered down, just hold down the side button. If it doesn't come back up, just do the exact same thing. Volume up, volume down, hold the side button, and it will reboot. So once you are back up, I want you guys to delete your Unc0ver application. Don't worry, you're not going to lose your jailbreak. Just go ahead and delete Unc0ver entirely, and then exit out of the edit mode. And I want you guys to navigate to this website here. It will be linked below the like button, and it's also going to be below our written post on this subject. So that way you guys can get written details and steps as well. But it's down below in the description. And then just scroll down to Unc0ver, and you're going to tap on this red download button. You can ignore everything else. Once you receive this pop-up, tap on install, and then you can just go to your device's home screen, and it will put Unc0ver in a blank space on your device's home screen. And it's really just as easy as that. Now you have to go over and you have to go inside of the settings application, go to general, and then scroll down to device management, tap inside of the enterprise app, tap on trust, tap on trust again, and now you'll be able to open the Unc0ver app. If you try to open it right off the bat, you'll just get a message about an untrusted developer enterprise certificate. But I also wanted to say that you do need to actually obtain this via mobile Safari. You can't get this through Chrome or anything else. You have to visit that site through mobile Safari just because of the way developer enterprise apps work. So once you have it opened, you'll notice down below at the bottom, it needs to say 3.7.0 beta 3 or higher. If you are watching this video at a later date, maybe there will be a new update to this version of Unc0ver. You can see right there, 3.7.0 beta 3. And now all I want you guys to do is just tap on jailbreak. Remember, it should say jailbreak. It shouldn't say re-jailbreak because you guys should have rebooted. And once you do tap on jailbreak, it's just going to go through that process of exploiting the kernel, and it's going to actually respring your device once it is done re-enabling your device's jailbreak. And really that's it. All you have to do is just tap on OK to the pop-up right there. And the last step that I want you guys to do is just unlock, and you need to go inside of Cydia, and you need to install any and all available updates. And this will put you guys on the latest version of the Unc0ver jailbreak, and of course installing all new available updates from Cydia. So go ahead and tap on upgrade and confirm. I'm just going to manually refresh one more time. You can do that, of course, if you guys want, up inside of changes, refresh, and then just upgrade, confirm, install any and all available updates. If you haven't launched Cydia in a while, it's a great idea to do that anyway. And then there you go. You guys are on the latest version, and you guys shouldn't experience any more GPS, App Store, Face ID, performance issues, stability issues, random shutdowns, or again, camera-related issues. Everything should be fixed now. And I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Of course, remember that when the developer enterprise certificate is revoked for Unc0ver through that service, you guys are either going to have to re-download it again through that service, or my favorite way of doing it is actually signing it permanently using ReProvision. Once you are jailbroken, you can have it re-sign the application while you're in your jailbroken state in the background every so often. It's really quite an awesome tweak. I highly recommend it. And I'll actually include that portion of my last video tutorial where I covered this exact topic. It'll play right now at the end of this video, so I highly recommend watching through that. I will also have it linked in the cards as well as down below in the description, so that way you guys can view that dedicated video if you're interested. But this is ICU signing out. Hope you guys enjoy Unc0ver. And you're going to hop on over to, again, either Cydia or Cilio. You're going to go to your Sources tab at the bottom. So inside of Cydia, you're going to go to Edit, followed by Add in the top left-hand corner. On Cilio, you can just tap the plus right here, and I'm just going to add the source. So it's already detected that I have it copied inside of Cydia. You just paste it inside of the field, and you'd go okay, and then it would bring up a black screen, fetch everything new, and then you have that source or that repo, and you can tap inside of it. You're going to just go to all categories here inside of Cilio, and we're looking for this one right here, ReProvision. You can also just search for it now that you have the source. I'm going to tap on Get, followed by Q, confirm here. Inside of Cilio, inside of Cydia, you just go install and you'd confirm that, and then you're gonna restart the springboard on both. Again, the process is almost identical. Like I said, more toward the beginning. We're unlocking now, and now we actually have ReProvision right here. So with ReProvision, like I said, it's exactly the same as the on-computer method because it's going to contact Apple's servers. The Apple ID and password aren't collected. It just contacts Apple's servers, obtains that certificate, and re-signs the jailbreak application. So now you're not going to see either of these two notifications. If you got it with the on-device method, you're not going to see this, unable to verify app. If you got it with the on-computer method, you're not going to see this, the no longer available message, because it's just going to constantly keep re-signing that application so long as you're in your jailbroken state. I'll talk about that more in just a second, but I'm going to gather my Apple ID right now. Okay, and now inside of ReProvision with the credentials filled out, I'm just going to tap on confirm. Remember, the same thing applies here. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which all new Apple IDs do, you're gonna have to go to appleid.apple.com. You're going to have to create an app-specific password. It's super easy. You can do it inside of Safari. And once you do that, you can use the passcode there. Because if you have two-factor authentication where a little pop-up appears anytime you try to sign into your Apple ID, it's not going to work without that app-specific password. So keep that in mind. Now, the really cool thing that I like about ReProvision is that it detects how many certificates your Apple ID has, and if it has too many, because you can only actually have 2 certificates active at any given time, you can remove it. So now we can just remove the certificate. Even if we actually used it to sign the app initially, we just remove it and then it will issue that new certificate and we can tap on done. So you can see it's picked up our Unc0ver and our Chimera app. Now the Chimera app, it says it has 170 days left on the certificate. That's going to be gone before you know it, and you will actually have that message that I showed you initially saying that it can't verify the app, because that certificate is going to get revoked, so we need to actually add it. However, if you've had too many certificates issued, you're going to have to remove them. So you need to go to the middle tab, and then you need to go to Manage Certificates, and you need to remove them, and then you should be able to re-sign. So I'm going to tap on Chimera, I'm going to tap on Add, Continue, and it's going through the process right now of signing it on device. You can see it just finished, and we have this message right here, this little notification saying that it's signed Chimera. So now we can tap out of it. Both of these apps are recently signed, and it will sign them in the background, just so long as you are in your jailbroken state. Inside of your settings, so your third tab over here at the bottom, again, this option is checked by default, the automatic re-signing, but you can actually change when it does re-sign them as well. And then inside of advanced, which is kind of cool, you can change how often it actually rechecks. So if you want to save battery life a little bit, you can set it to every other day, or you can set it to every 24 hours. I'm just gonna set it to every 24 hours. And now both of these apps are signed with my Apple ID, both Unc0ver as well as Chimera, and they will continually be re-signed just so long as I'm in my jailbroken state. because when you actually go to reboot, or if your device dies, so if it powers off, you need to power it back up, you're going to be unjailbroken, and you're going to have to launch Chimera or Unc0ver again, and you're going to have to tap the button to re-jailbreak. So make sure you do that while you're still within your 7-day window. If you set it to 2 days, you're fine. If you set it to actually sign more frequently, you're probably even better. So instead of with 2 days left, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do it with 4 days left, and then it will check in the background every 24 hours. So both of these apps will be signed just so long as I'm in my jailbroken state, like I've been saying. I really hope you guys liked this brand new jailbreak tutorial. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you have yet to. Check out all of our top tweak coverage. Links to everything you need can be found down below in the description. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.